Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, we would be discussing about some of the important points that we need to install, just like we have to install NVM, right? So for NVM installation, so the reason why we are installing NVM is just because it allows us in order to switch between different node version instantly. So say for example, whenever a project requires to change a node version with respect to a different node version that is being installed on our Mac, so we can switch it instantly using NVM, right? So in order to install NVM, what we can do is, let us try to search the command using homebrew. So brew install NVM, let's see. Okay, so it's a direct command. Let's search it, let's install it here. Okay, so now we have already installed it. So now let's try to go back to our Finder. Okay, so now let's see whether this directory exists. Okay, so we don't have any directory here. So let's create this command. So now we should have got .nvm, right? Now we need the following in your shell profiles, that is in our .zshrc file, right? So let's copy this and we'll do open .zshrc, and what we'll do is we'll add comment like nvm. Okay, now let's close this, and what we'll do is like we'll do source and we'll just quit this terminal. Now let's try to open the terminal again, right? So now we see 13 files here, right? So now let's try to check the NVM version here. So yes, we got that version. So pyenv is something that we can check, right? So pyenv -version. So we do not have pyenv installed. So pyenv, what does it do is it actually keeps Python version isolated, so which is critical when working on different projects, right? Okay, so this is not yet installed. What we'll do is we'll also follow the same path again, that is let's try to search pyenv here. So we have pyenv here. Let's install it here. Okay, so over here, this is something which got installed, right? So now let's check the pyenv version. So the pyenv is also got installed here, right? Okay, so I believe that's all for this video. Let's meet up in the next video.